The Motorola Razr Plus Review. Design and display. The Razr Plus features a sleek, compact flip design reminiscent of classic flip phones, enhanced with modern aesthetics. It boasts a 6.9-inch main display with a 165 Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors and smooth visuals. The external cover screen measures 4 inches, providing quick access to notifications and essential functions without unfolding the device. Performance. Equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 processor, the Razr Plus offers robust performance suitable for multitasking and running demanding applications. The device operates smoothly, handling daily tasks with ease. Camera. The Razr Plus is equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera and a 50-megapixel 2x telephoto lens, delivering sharp and detailed images. The camera system performs well in various lighting conditions, though it may not surpass competitors like the Pixel 8 Pro in certain scenarios. Battery life. The device houses a 4000 mAh battery, which provides adequate power for a full day of moderate use. Overall, the Motorola Razr Plus stands out with its blend of nostalgic design and modern features, offering a compelling option for those interested in foldable smartphones. Thank you so much.